Today I'm going to teach you diaphragmatic breathing. It's excellent for managing stress and anxiety, and it also really helps to reduce those panicky feelings if you start feeling overwhelmed. I've got Pete as my volunteer, and diaphragmatic breathing, it's really important to recognise that you want to breathe using your diaphragm. So when Pete is told to breathe in through his nose, he's also going to push his belly out. And so the idea is that you would keep your chest flat, but your belly out, and then breathe out slowly through the mouth. And again, the chest kind of stays quite straight, but the belly decreases. So in again, in through your nose, again, and then out. That's right. So today we're going to do the box breathing method. It's really simple, 4-4-4 technique. So we'll start together, always breathing in through your nose and then breathing out slowly through your mouth. Usually helps if you purse your lips a little bit as you do that, just to control the breath. When you control the breath, you control your center, you control your stress levels, you control your emotions. So the breath is where our center is. Okay? So breathe in through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Release. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Release. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Release. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Release. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Release. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. You want to try doing this for around 3 to 5 minutes. There are lots of other techniques you can learn with diaphragmatic breathing, including the 4-7-8 technique. But for starters, this is really, really helpful. How did that feel?
Great. Yeah, I actually feel alive now. Yeah, relaxed at the same time.
Yeah.
It's,
It's a really good way of controlling the stress levels, and let's face it, everyone needs that right now. Practice it as often as you get a chance.